Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on the 2018 Chevy Malibu. This is a Redline edition, and I gotta say, it looks nice. So on the interior, we got a steering wheel bag and a knee airbag. Other than that, we got like current airbag. I'm not sure about this side, but we'll get into the interior maybe today or in another video. Today we're going to be working on the front end. So the bumper and the fender and the headlight. I just popped in the bracket for the headlight. I'm screwing more stuff in. So yeah. Let's get this headlight on. In this Malibu, we have a lot of new parts. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. Got new headlights, fender, it goes all the way back there. But without any further ado, let's get to it. So the headlight goes on top of the fender on this side. So the fender goes first and then you put the headlight on. So we got a fender over here. Let's grab that. Got the fender sort of on. Just gonna put in a few more bolts and then I'm gonna bring in the headlight. I'm gonna put it right here and I'm gonna hopefully get the bumper on. This car's gonna look great when it's done. These wheels are so nice. On the interior there's so many parts. We got a brand new bumper over here, all the grill inserts, inner fender, we got headlights, fog lights, so many cool things. Yeah, and then like we got a airbag. I don't know if it's blown or chopped in half. It's kind of hard for me to tell, but yeah. Now this door doesn't have the mirror on it, and there's no thing holding it, so the door just swings freely on its hinges. I'll get that all taken care of. Probably not in today's video because I don't have that piece, but in one of the videos, upcoming videos. Guys, so I'm working on this fender over here, but I want to see exactly how it goes, so I'm gonna take out this inner fender on the driver's side and I figured out how this fender goes in. It doesn't go behind this frame piece right here. It goes in front of it, and that's how it gets screwed in. Then this will all be nice and aligned, and you'll be able to get that nice clean lines and stuff. And yeah, so I can just drill this back in with this piece, line it back up. Looks nice. It's not going anywhere. So now it's time for the light. Brand new light. Let's get this on. So there's a screw that goes there, here, and there's already one here. So let's get this headlight in. So we actually want to do something about this door. Just gonna unscrew these like little bolts. There's like 2 of them left. Basically what the plan is, we're keeping the fender in. We're taking out this door. And I think after that we're putting in the headlight, and then we're gonna do something with the door and maybe a new one, maybe fix this somehow, and then put it back in, get like everything aligned, close the hood, you know, put the bumper on, get the thing painted, and the car should be done. Guys, we got the door off. It's right here, it's pretty nice. I gotta get this fender off though, because we do have to do some adjusting. We wanna get this door nice and aligned when we put it back on, so gonna have to take out the hinges, and I also gotta take out the fenders so we don't get it damaged. So yeah, let's get this off. Got it. I should just be able to pull this off now. Got it. Turn the car around for some better shade. There's like dust everywhere in this car, and it's like super thick. Usually when the airbag gets deployed, a lot of dust goes everywhere. So this one deployed and the new one, so there's a lot of dust. So we got the door realigned. It looks way better than before. It doesn't stick out, it doesn't droop or anything. Like, just look at that. And then just close it like that. That rattling noise is this fender. It's not 100% on right here on the bottom, because the whoever, I don't know who did that, somebody blocked this off right here, so this is not able to sit correctly. Because if you come to this side, it sits in there nice and straight, so somebody blocked that off. We're gonna have to fix that. But so far I got the whole fender on. It's sitting kind of odd, but I'll get to taking care of. Before now, I want to put in the headlight just to see how the whole front end of this car looks, because that's all that's missing right now is that headlight. one here and one somewhere down there. I didn't put the third one here because it's not aligned yet. It's just test fitting and stuff. So let's see if this works. Okay, so it's kind of working. Okay, that works, but that bulb, probably don't have a bulb in there. That's probably why it's not working. Okay. There's the bumper. Alright, guys. Check this out. That's right. Red hash mark wheel.